Hello, welcome to our 2021 Open House. We're excited that you have joined us tonight to learn more about Princess Anne and how we can build a PA community. I am Danny Little, the principal here at Princess Anne, and I'd like to take time to introduce our administrative team. First, I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Ryan O'Mara. Coming soon will be our administrative assistant. We also have Dr. Shana Remian, Dr. Sherry Brooks, also assistant principals. We have Ms. Jamie LaCava Owen, IB coordinator, and Mr. Wayne Varney, special ed coordinator for our West building. Also part of our administrative team is Ms. Caruana, our school improvement specialist, and Mr. Bob Robbins, our student activities coordinator. Ms. Sheila Gorham is our Student Services Department Chair, and Ms. Sandra Kofa is our Office Manager. For your convenience, tonight's open house format is asynchronous. This means you can view this information whenever you want, from wherever you want, and we hope that you will find this information very convenient for you. For this presentation, we have links to teacher course information videos, and I hope that you will take time to view these videos as they are organized by subject area. We have information about a plethora of opportunities for students to get involved in. We invite you to visit these links and find at least one club or activity that your student can participate in this year. We have information about some of our instructional programs, such as AVIT, new to PA this year, as well as our AP program. We have also included some valuable resources for you to use to ensure that your family what it needs to be successful this school year. VB Face, Parent View, and PTSA, just to name a couple. As you might already know, Princess Anne is implementing whole school MYP this year. Please take a minute to view the short video clip that will help you gain further understanding of what this means for your student. And finally, we have links to our administrators and counselors. They are assigned by alphabet so that you know who to contact about your child. We invite you to reach out if you have any questions about your child or about Princess Anne High School. We know that you have lots of questions about your child's schedule. This information, such as bus schedules and all the important information, is located in Parent View. It is important information that will be accessed throughout the school year. If you do not have an account, please set up one at your earliest convenience so you won't miss any parent information. If you need assistance in setting up an account, please refer to the link on the open house flyer under Parent Resources. This will assist you in accessing Parent View. One of our key ways of communicating information this year, it will be through our monthly newsletter. These newsletters will give you updates about things happening here at our school, schedule changes, scholarship opportunities, as well as informational sessions to help you and your student get the most out of your opportunities here at Princess Anne. In the text box on this slide, it provides an overview of some of the things that you can find on our parent page. Please take a moment to view the parent communications that are listed there. We also list past communications that go out, like newsletters, brochures, IB newsletters, for your convenience. Joining our PTSA is an easy way for you to become involved in Princess Anne High School. Please consider joining our team and becoming a part of the conversation on how we can make Princess Anne one of the top-rated high schools in Virginia. There's a link on tonight's flyer also that will assist you in joining our PTSA. We would love for you to become a board member or just an active participant in our school. As we end this presentation tonight, I want to thank you for your support. Without you, it would not be possible for us to provide the wonderful opportunities that we have for our students. It takes all of us to ensure that our school and our students are successful. Thank you again for joining us, and please remember, you can access this presentation on our website at any time, and the links are active. And if you continue to have questions or need additional information, please do not hesitate to contact our school. Thank you again for joining us.